Hi friends, welcome to our channel Health Tricks and Tips in English. It's a common desire of every woman to give birth to a cute and healthy baby, that too through normal delivery. Only a mother can understand the painful journey of pregnancy till delivery. These days, normal delivery are considered a matter of luck, and every pregnant woman wants to have a normal delivery. In this video, we will tell you certain tips so as to reduce the labor pain at delivery time to ease you in achieving the normal delivery. So kindly see this very informative video till last without skipping, and if not done, kindly subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video, and do not forget to press the bell button to get the notifications of new videos as soon as they are released. So let's get into the main subject. The first tip to the normal delivery is that you need to take consultancy from a very good gynecologist. During these 9 months of pregnancy, be in touch with a reputed gynecologist and attend all regular checkups as directed. A good doctor not only raises your morale but also eliminates your fear for normal delivery. Always select a doctor who gives preference to normal delivery instead of the cesarean delivery. If you feel your doctor is not helping you as per your expectations, then do not hesitate or make any delay in selecting another doctor. A good doctor always listens to you carefully, gives you proper time and resolutions to your pregnancy related problem. You should ask doctor about every single doubt or fear you have pertaining to the delivery. Do not hesitate or suppress your curiosity, as it will lead to stress that will be harmful for you and your baby. Also, you can take advices from experienced people in your neighbor, friends, relatives to make your pregnancy stress-free and healthy. The second tip is to drink water as much as you can for inducing the normal delivery. Take extra note during pregnancy that your body is adequately hydrated. It is important for baby safety as well as helpful in inducing normal delivery. Pregnant women should at least drink 8 to 10 glassful of water daily to keep healthy pregnancy that leads to normal delivery. Third tip is to do exercise regularly without fail. During pregnancy, women are often asked to relax, but at the same time, it is important what are you doing to keep yourself healthy. Relaxing during pregnancy is required. However, relaxing too much is not at all good. During pregnancy, light-weighted exercises and doing light household chores is considered beneficial. It is very important to have strong and flexible muscles during pregnancy, as it will help you combat the labor pain at the time of normal delivery. So during pregnancy, make a habit of doing lightweight exercise. You can also do yoga. It will also give you mental strength to get ready for normal delivery. Make sure you are exercising under expert supervisions. Do not lift weight. Do exercise right way, else it could also backfire. Fourth tip is daily walking. During pregnancy, make a habit of daily walking in the morning as well as in the evening for at least 30 minutes. This is the best thing you can do to achieve normal delivery. Fresh air while walking in the morning can do wonders to make your pregnancy healthy. Fifth tip is to avoid stress and depression. Normally, stress and depression can ruin almost any work. Stress may lead to complications during pregnancy. Stress not only harms you, but it also affects your baby in womb. This is the time when pregnant woman is required to be happy and calm. For that, you can watch good and humorous TV shows. You can also read good books. Choose topics for reading related to good parenthood. Avoid things that brings negativity or anything that can increase unwanted stress and worry. Number 6 is food during pregnancy. What are you eating and what are you avoiding also contributes to your normal delivery. You should eat right food at right time. Your body should not be deficient of iron and minerals during pregnancy. So you should eat plenty of green leafy vegetables, include juices, egg and fruits in your diet, so that you and your baby gets essential protein and vitamins. Eat diet rich in fiber and avoid oily food, as it may increase your weight that could be a problem for normal delivery. Do not forget to take diet plan from your doctor. Apart from that, drink as much as warm water to reduce swelling in legs and hands. Seventh tip is to do meditation and aerobics. Breathing exercises like pranayam is best for the proper supply of oxygen as required by baby in womb. That helps in proper growth of the baby. 8th tip is to take sound sleep. A good and uninterrupted sleep can keep a lot of pregnancy problems at bay. It gives proper time for baby to relax and also enhances baby's growth. Do not be awake till late at night. A minimum sleep of 8 to 9 hours is required for pregnant lady. 9th and the last tip is to read good books on positive thinking, it is a common belief that baby gets genetically a lot from mother even before taking birth. So books on good and positive thinking will have same kind of induced effect on the baby in the womb. During this time, never read horror stories or anything that is having negative or destructive thinking. So guys, these were the few other tips for normal delivery. Hope you have liked the video. This video was in English language. If you want to hear the same video in Hindi, here is the link flashing above the video. You can go to this I button and there you can listen to the video in Hindi language. So friends, if you like this video, kindly press the like button. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so by pressing the subscribe button and also hit the bell button so that you get the notifications on time. Thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.